Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tint here with Rap Atlanta. Got my BMW F30 in the shop. Just want to show you guys the taillight tint that I have on here. It's the Vivid Bio Hex Plus tint. It's I believe it's a light smoke with the reflective pattern on it. And I just kind of want to give you my thoughts and show you what it's looking like. Yeah, so this taillight film, it gives it a nice light smoke. And then there's a slight honeycomb pattern. And then the honeycomb pattern itself is reflective. So in the sunlight or when light hits it, you get that rainbow effect. Out in the sunlight, it really looks good. I've had this on for about close to 2 years at this point, so it's holding up really well. Um, it is a pretty thick film, I would say. So if you have really aggressive tail lights, you know, I'm, I don't know if it's gonna hold long term. But on simple taillights like this, holds no problem. I really like the look of it. It's pretty unique. I don't think I've ever seen anyone with this on their vehicle. It's pretty subtle, but it's like pretty pretty cool look. And this is what it looks like with the lights on. Still really good visibility. I do really love the look of this taillight tint. I'll link this in the description and let me know what you guys think.